Shatkapchu. 6 self-seeding flowers that bloom all winter in southern climate zones. What if your garden could be bursting with color all winter long, without replanting every single season, without spending money on new transplants every few months, and without lifting a finger beyond planting the right flowers just once? If you live in a southern climate zone, zones 8 through 11, your mild winters are not a gardening shutdown. They are a full blooming season, and these 6 self-seeding flowers are going to prove it. Before we get into the list, if you are new here, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a video. And if today's content helps your winter garden, please give it a like. It genuinely helps us reach more gardeners just like you. Now, let's get into it. Brief problem setup / why the topic matters. Gardeners in warm southern climates have a superpower that cold climate gardeners can only dream about, a winter that actually grows flowers. The cool, mild temperatures of a southern winter are ideal for a whole category of cool season plants that bloom their hearts out from autumn through spring. And the best of these plants do not just bloom beautifully. They scatter their seeds, germinate the following autumn, and come back more gorgeous and more generous every single year. Once you plant them, they essentially plant themselves. Let's meet all 6. List item number 1, Larkspur, Consolida ajacis. First up is Larkspur. And this is the showstopper of the winter garden. Larkspur produces tall, elegant spikes of densely packed flowers in shades of deep blue purple, rich pink, lavender, and pure white that can reach 2 to 4 feet in height, creating a vertical flowering display of extraordinary romance and drama. It thrives in cool soil temperatures, exactly what your southern winter provides, germinating in autumn, establishing through the mild months, and blooming magnificently from late winter through spring. Allow the seed pods to ripen and scatter naturally after blooming, and Larkspur will self-seed with increasing generosity every single year, building naturalistic drifts of color that look like they were designed by nature itself. One important note: all parts of Larkspur are toxic, so keep away from children and pets. Best in zones 8 through 10. List item number 2, California Poppy, Eschscholzia californica. Number 2 is the gloriously cheerful California Poppy. And those vivid, silky, cup-shaped flowers in brilliant orange gold, red, yellow, pink, and cream are among the most joyful sights in any winter garden. California Poppy evolved in a Mediterranean climate almost identical to that of many southern zones. Mild, wet winters and hot, dry summers, making it perfectly adapted to your conditions. It germinates readily in autumn, blooms through winter and spring, then scatters its seeds explosively as pods ripen in late spring. The self-seeding colony that builds over successive seasons fills every sunny space with that extraordinary color display more generously each year. Sow directly into the ground. California poppies have tap roots and dislike transplanting. Outstanding in zones 8 through 10. List item number 3, Viola and Pansy, Viola species. Number 3 is the beloved Viola and Pansy. And while everyone in warm climates grows pansies in winter, most gardeners are missing their most valuable quality. The trick is choosing the right varieties. Large F1 hybrid pansies are beautiful, but rarely self-seed. True Viola species, particularly Viola tricolor, the Johnny Jump Up, with its charming little tricolor flowers in purple, yellow, and white, self-seed with extraordinary prolific generosity. Once established, Johnny Jump Ups appear every autumn in every available garden space, threading themselves through borders, softening pathway edges, filling gaps between larger plants, creating a naturalistic, self-maintaining carpet of cheerful winter color that returns more beautifully every year. Viola cornuta is similarly outstanding, blooming almost continuously from autumn through spring in warm climates. Excellent in zones 8 through 10, with some afternoon shade appreciated in zone 11. List item number 4, Sweet Alyssum, Lobularia maritima. Number 4 is the wonderfully fragrant Sweet Alyssum, and this low-growing, honey-scented beauty is one of the most reliably self-seeding and most continuously blooming flowers available for warm winter gardens. Sweet Alyssum covers itself completely in tiny clustered flowers in white, lavender, rose, and deep purple from autumn through spring. Its ideal cool season growing temperatures coinciding perfectly with a southern winter. The honey fragrance is genuinely intoxicating on a warm winter afternoon. It self-seeds prolifically, filling gaps between pavers, softening border edges, and threading itself through every available space with a gentle, charming naturalness. As a bonus, the tiny flowers are outstanding for small native bees and beneficial insects through the winter months when other nectar sources are scarce. Excellent in zones 8 through 11. List item number 5. Nigella, Love in a Mist. Number 5 is the enchanting Nigella, Love in a Mist. And this is the most intricately beautiful and romantically captivating flower on today's entire list. Each bloom is surrounded by a delicate ruff of finely divided, thread-like bracts, the mist of its name, creating a dreamlike, ethereal effect that is completely unlike any other garden flower. Colors include sky blue, soft lavender, white, rose, and deep purple. After flowering, the inflated, balloon-like seed pods are equally ornamental and outstanding for dried arrangements. Nigella self-seeds with prolific generosity in warm climates. Seeds scattered each spring germinate reliably the following autumn, building increasingly beautiful naturalistic drifts of winter color year after year. Combine it with California poppies for one of the most stunning, cool season color combinations imaginable. Vivid orange and sky blue together in a winter garden is genuinely breathtaking. Direct sow in autumn for best results. Best in zones 8 through 10. List item number 6, Snapdragon, Antirrhinum majus. And our 6th and final self-seeding winter bloomer is the classic, beloved snapdragon. And in a southern winter garden, this plant reveals its true, extraordinary character that cold climate gardeners never get to experience. Snapdragons are fundamentally cool season plants. Their ideal growing temperatures of 45 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit describe a mild southern winter almost exactly. In these conditions, they bloom with more vigor, more color, and more continuous generosity than in summer heat, producing tall, fragrant spikes in every color imaginable from pure white through every shade of yellow, orange, pink, red, and burgundy to deep bicolors. In zones 9 through 11, they can persist as short-lived perennials. In all southern zones, they self-seed reliably, building a naturalistic colony that returns more beautiful every winter. They are also outstanding cut flowers, bringing those gorgeous, fragrant spikes indoors for winter arrangements throughout the cool season. Excellent in zones 8 through 11. And there you have it. 6 incredible self-seeding flowers that will fill your southern garden with color, fragrance, and beauty all winter long. Larkspur for architectural drama. California poppy for vivid, cheerful color. Violas for charming, naturalistic ground-level beauty. Sweet Alyssum for continuous, fragrant carpeting. Nigella for romantic, ethereal enchantment. And snapdragons for classic, generous, versatile winter magnificence. Plant them once, let them seed, and watch your winter garden take care of itself, more beautifully, more generously, and more magnificently with every passing season. Thank you so much for watching today. It truly means everything to us. Final CTA. If today's video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up right now and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video. Tap the bell too so YouTube notifies you every time we upload. We will see you in the next one.